Ever pondered over your diet plan? Have you thought about including cabbage in your weight loss journey? In the quest for a healthier life and a trimmer waistline, the foods we choose to nourish our bodies with are of utmost importance. One such food we often overlook is the humble cabbage. Now I know what you're thinking. Cabbage? Really? But hear me out. Cabbage is not just an ordinary vegetable. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with essential vitamins and minerals. Rich in fiber and low in calories, it's a fantastic choice for those looking to shed a few pounds. But it's not just about the numbers. Eating cabbage can bring a host of other health benefits too, from boosting your immune system to promoting better digestion. Now you might be wondering, how exactly does cabbage aid in weight loss? Let me explain. Cabbage, often overlooked, is a nutritional powerhouse that can be a game changer in your weight loss journey. This humble vegetable is low in calories, making it a guilt-free choice for those aiming to lose weight. But that's not all. Cabbage is packed with fiber, a nutrient that aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full, helping to curb those pesky cravings. More than just a low-calorie, high-fiber food, cabbage is a hydration hero, boasting a high water content. This not only helps in keeping you hydrated but also aids in flushing out toxins from your body. But the benefits don't stop there. Cabbage is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C and K, and minerals like potassium and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for overall health and wellness, contributing to everything from immune function to heart health. So, how do these nutritional components contribute to weight loss? Let's move on to that next. Cabbage is not just a vegetable, it's a weight loss ally, but how does it work? Well, let's delve into that. Firstly, cabbage is packed with fiber and water. Both of these components work together to help you feel fuller for longer. This means that you're less likely to reach for those mid-afternoon snacks, reducing your overall calorie intake. But that's not all. Cabbage also boasts a rich nutrient profile, including vitamins C and K, and a host of other essential nutrients. These nutrients support overall health, which is a crucial part of sustainable weight loss. Why? Because when your body is healthy, it's better equipped to metabolize food efficiently and maintain energy levels, which can help support your weight loss goals. So you see, cabbage is not just a humble vegetable. It's a nutrient powerhouse that supports weight loss and overall health. Clearly, cabbage is more than meets the eye. But how can you incorporate it into your diet? Incorporating cabbage into your diet can be simple and tasty. Imagine a refreshing salad with crunchy cabbage, a heartwarming cabbage soup on a cool evening, or a vibrant stir-fry packed with this nutrient-rich vegetable. These are just a few examples of how easy it is to make cabbage a regular part of your meals. Now, it's important to remember that consistency is key when it comes to weight loss. Make it a habit to include cabbage in your diet, and over time, you'll start noticing the benefits. Not only does cabbage help in weight loss, but it also provides numerous other health benefits. Experiment with different recipes, find your favorites, and stick with them. Like any good relationship, it's all about commitment and consistency. Remember, your health is directly linked to the food you consume and your lifestyle. So, give cabbage a chance and see the difference it can make in your weight loss journey. For more details, check out the full article on our website, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips.